So if you hadn't guessed, it's blowing its ass off this weekend. That's why we're up the Calliope, but we're still getting wetter than I would like. 40 k's an hour, and we headed up to the trees, and the fish just weren't biting. The river was full of these things. Little brim, fun to watch, and probably okay to eat if you're into undersized brim, but we didn't get anything good. There was no jack hiding there today, so we decided to head back down to the bridge, have a few flicks around that, see if there's anything there. I knew there'd be little fish, but I was hoping for some monsters. Brim, I reckon. There were plenty of fish around, they just weren't monsters. Catching smaller fish on light gear can still be a lot of fun, as we found out. These weren't the sort of things we were chasing, but were certainly a lot better than catching no fish. I remember when I first come to town fishing off these rocks, just off the bank, no boat, and you still get quite a few fish in. So it's a great spot to come down with kids, just make sure they don't fall in because it can run hard. Righto legends, that's about it from us. We took the boat for a bit of a run but didn't seem to find the fish again. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, it helps us out a ton. And let me know if you like these shorter videos or you prefer the longer ones. Leave a comment, send me a message. You know, whatever. I'll try and get back to you. Alright guys, I'll see you out there somewhere.